How to check signs of SSD failure. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll go over how to spot the signs of SSD failure before it's too late. So stick around for these life-saving tips. First, frequent crashes or freezing. If your computer keeps crashing or freezing while booting or using certain apps, your SSD might be struggling. Next, read or write errors. Notice files taking forever to open or save, or worse, files that disappear. That could be a sign of a failing sectors. Or slow performance. SSDs are known for speed. If your system feels unusually slow despite low storage usage, it might be the time to investigate. Next, error messages. Pay attention to error messages like boot device not found or file system errors during the startups. Next, check health with the tools. Use free tools like Crystal Disk Info or your SSD's manufacturer software to check its health and lifespan. And remember, always back up your data regularly. If you see any of these signs, act fast. Hit like if this was helpful, subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.